Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And as you guys know, I have moved into the new space. The new studio is bigger and better than the space I used to have. So here I have set up the desk as I always wanted it to be. It's kind of my dream desk setup. And in this video, I'm going to show you the desk setup, how I organize everything on my desk, and the things I used on my desk on a daily basis. So let's get started. So the desk I'm currently using is a custom-made 6-foot desk with a curved cutout in front. Why? Because I have designed it the way I want. So yeah. Okay, let's talk about all the tech on this desk. So here's the PC. I have upgraded some parts here and there, but pretty much it's the same old PC and it's still running and handling all the works I do. I'm thinking of upgrading or switching to Mac, but that's for another video. The monitor I'm currently using is the Asus ProArt 27-inch 2K monitor. So the best thing about this monitor is it's color calibrated with 99% sRGB, 98% Adobe RGB. By the way, I have made a full review of this monitor. So if you are interested, check that out. And the monitor is on the Amazon basic monitor arm that gives it a floating kind of look. Also saves a lot of space on the desk. Then the keyboard I have is from Redgear. It's their Redgear mechanical keyboard with blue switches, and the mouse of choice is the Logitech MX Master 3. Both of this I'm using it for more than 2 years and I just love the experience. I have already made reviews of these two products on my YouTube channel, so check them out. And the mouse pad is from a brand called Tugzer. The mouse pad is really nice, but I don't like the print anymore, so I'm gonna change it real soon. Then I have currently 2 headphones on the desk. Primarily I use the Game DS one as it sounds really good and it's very comfortable as well. And another one is from Redgear, which they have sent a month ago to test it out. Then here I have the Seagate Backup Plus hub, which works as my main archive storage for all of my works. Here I have the pen tab, which I use while drawing or portrait retouching. Then here we have my card case, so all of my SD cards lives here, and I put it here for my easy access. Then we have a bunch of hard drives related to the project I am currently working on, and I never back up anything on a single drive. To know more about my backup system, watch the video I have made on backup. Then here I have a book which I am currently reading and a journal for the to-do list or write down anything to remember. So pretty much that's all about my desk setup. Let me know if you have any suggestions to improve the setup, and see you all in the next one. Till then, tada.